I am a bee that collects pollen, make honey and clean the hive. My paramount aim is that Project the Queen, where a gigantic worker cluster living on the hive about 50,000. Honeybees live and work together in a hive. Each of them has different jobs. Each beehive contains a queen bee, worker bees, and drones. The queen bee is the biggest. Only one queen bee lives in a hive. Her job is to lay eggs so new honeybees can be born. She lays about 2,000 eggs a day during the spring. The worker bees are the smallest in the hive. But there are many of them. About 50,000 to 60,000 worker bees live in one hive. They are all female. Their job is to protect the queen. They also collect food, make honey, and clean the hive. There are also drones in the hive. They have huge eyes. Their job is to mate with the queen bee. They don't even collect food. When there isn't enough food in the winter, there are sometimes nicked out. The queen, workers and drones all do their best in a hive. In this way, their hive can grow and stay strong.